4128. Also showing scattered areas of moderate heavy precipitation in the Mobile complex. It's about 40 miles out.
Might have been the angle. I had it up here the other day. I tried it. You could see the UV. Wasn't clear.
River 40 Papa Charlie, cross length at 11,000. You can resume normal speed. AC 4121, contact Memphis Center 128.27. See ya. November 26 Delta Tango, descend to maintain 4,000.
On down to 4,000, 26 Delta Tango.
November 26 Delta Tango, contact Houston Center 126.8. We'll see you.
126.8 Delta Tango. Thank you, sir. Houston Center, Citation 26 Delta Tango. We're 11.9 for 4,000.
26 Delta Tango, Houston Center, Hattiesburg altimeter 2994. Take type approach requested.
2994, looking for the visual into Hattiesburg. We have the weather. Over.
26 Delta Tango, roger. Delta Tango, which runway are you going to?
Going runway 36.
26 Delta Tango, roger. Just be advised the PAPIs are out there. I know you got the notice, I just got to let you know.
Yes, sir, I appreciate it. 26 Delta Tango.
26 Delta Tango, descend to maintain 2,500.
All right, down 2,500, Delta Tango.
Hey, Houston Gulfstream 63 Sierra Fox, 20.2, descending 5,000, weather notice visual.
633 Sierra Foxtrot, Houston Center, roger. Hattiesburg altimeter 2994. Be advised, you're number 2 behind company.
Roger.
Number 26 Delta Tango, Hattiesburg PIB is at 12 o'clock at 20 miles. Report the field in sight.
Wilco 26 Delta Tango. Houston, 26 Delta Tango, as Hattiesburg in sight. We'll cancel IFR.
United 740, Houston Center, climb and maintain available 230. 26 Delta Tango, IFR cancellation received. Squawk VFR, have a good day.
Okay, going VFR. Thanks for the help. 26 Delta Tango. Hattiesburg Laurel Regional traffic, Citation 26 Delta Tango, about 2 miles east, crossing midfield, enter left downwind 36, Hattiesburg Laurel.
Alright, so we got flaps 35, we got the gear down, we got everything except the yaw damper.
That's right.
I can get it now.
You can.
$500. 400.
I'll fly flat here just a little bit, get up off this.
That's fine.
300. 200. 100.
Alright, I see the...
Yeah.
Alright, off of it completely now.
Yep, just let it come on down. Don't raise your nose. There you go.
Up and over. I'm not going to get on the brakes.
Ought to stop pretty good without the brake. 60 degrees drag. Cut the torpedoes off while I'm thinking about it.
3,000.
Come off the flaps once you get off the runway.
Yep, your discretion.
We'll get rid of them now because I'll forget about them.
Hattiesburg Laurel Regional traffic. Citation 26 Delta Tango, clear the active taxi in the route. Hattiesburg Laurel. We didn't do too bad. We used 1,000 pounds, 1,050, even with our low altitude and turning around. Alright, heating's off. Lights, you ready to kill it.